Okay, so I just click favorites. I find Schlage 5 cut. Here's the key. I'm gonna decode. Here. All right. So I click decode, decode. Come on this side. So the key says 76274. Let's look over here. Is that what it decoded? All right. So 24. All right. So I'm gonna put the new key in, line it up with the shoulder stop. Okay, and then we'll click cut. All right. Cut. Okay. And I kind of adjusted the speed to the top 10 speed, so it'll go quicker. Let's see. All right, let's test it in the lock. Turn smooth.